माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, अन्ना हजारे जिंदाबाद, अन्ना हजारे जिंदाबाद, स्टॉप करप्शन, सेव इंडिया, स्टॉप करप्शन, सेव इंडिया, स्टॉप करप्शन, सेव इंडिया, स्टॉप करप्शन, सेव इंडिया, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, मातरम। भ्रष्टाचार हटाओ, देश बचाओ, भ्रष्टाचार हटाओ, देश बचाओ, भ्रष्टाचार हटाओ, देश बचाओ। अन्ना हजारे जिंदाबाद, अन्ना हजारे जिंदाबाद, अन्ना हजारे जिंदाबाद, स्टॉप करप्शन, सेव इंडिया, स्टॉप करप्शन, सेव इंडिया, स्टॉप करप्शन, सेव इंडिया, स्टॉप करप्शन, सेव इंडिया, स्टॉप करप्शन, स्टॉप करप्शन, सेव इंडिया, स्टॉप इंडिया, we want Janapal, jai!
Anna Hazare has broken his fast. What do you think is the next step?
We have very specific decisions that we got to take in today here. First thing is, NRI community for a long while has been away from the voting back in India. So government has taken a first step to make sure NRIs are given the right to vote, but that is not sufficient. We want absentee right to vote. So we want to tell the world that when every country, including Afghanistan or other countries, are giving absentee voting for people who are abroad, why not we? So when we got disconnected from the society, I in India, in NRI, is still an Indian. There's no difference where I am. Demographic doesn't work, which is what I've been saying. So first thing will be, we wanted to make sure we become the part of the political system and other there back in India. That's the first thing that I want to say. Second thing is, we want to kill corruption. First step, as a part of that first step, there is $40 billion that's lost in 2G spectrum. We want that money back. You just can't put him in jail and then say that we can't get money back. Cancel all those licenses, go for again the auction, get that money back. That's the second thing we will specifically tell to the government. Third thing, there is stashed money lying in international banks, foreign banks. We got to get them. The first step is Hassan Ali, who's been caught. We have a person in front of us whom we could reveal to the world and then say that we could get the stashed money. We are working on those lines. Make this happen. We want to get the stashed money back. Fourth thing, I want to beg the media, urge them to come forward. That we can do some great programs so that the Indian media can tie up to NRIs in United States. Every week we can have some kind of a session, bring in one MP or a specific person who has excelled in the field. Allow the NRIs to interact with them. We will ask them specific questions. Hey MP, are you the watchdog for the Jan Lokpal bill that's being implemented? So create as a platform where NRIs can interact with the media and the media can help bring in people who are part of that system so that we can interact with them. That's one other thing that we are looking into.
Now that Anna Hazare has broken the past and the government is taking steps to write down the details and draft documents for the bill, the mahal here in the Bay Area is that everybody is really excited that they're taking a few steps towards anti-corruption. Let me talk to a few folks here in the Bay Area and get their response. So what is your response to Anna Hazare breaking the fast and what is going on here in the Bay Area?
It's a very good first step, like every friends of mine here are telling and feeling, but the crusade begins from here. The biggest menace in India is corruption. Of course, everybody hands don't tell that, but we feel it every walk of life. So it feels almost like it's in part of our DNA, and we have to get rid of that. So it's not just in politicians. Politicians are our representatives, or they reflect what the society is. So if our politicians are bad, that means our society is really bad. We have to accept that. It is enough, but everybody has to voice that in a platform, and this is a very good way people are starting and coming to, and it's a great thing happening.
We are looking forward for everybody to join in this movement, and each and every NRI, whatever it takes, we are trying to support this movement. And we really thank Anna Hazare for this movement and all the people who are participating in this movement.
Thank you. What does this mean to you?
Yeah, I feel like we haven't gotten independence yet. We got independence from bondage, but we haven't gotten independence unless we get rid of the corruption. That's when I feel that we really got independence.
I think, the Anna Hazare, this is actually the first victory, but I think this is just the beginning. And we are actually, we have teamed up here to keep up the momentum.
we'll make sure we'll all group together and then take a pledge that we are going to fight. We will be the watchdog for Jan Lokpal Bill. No matter where demographics doesn't work, we will be a watchdog to the implementation of Jan Lokpal Bill. We will not allow Anna Hazare to sit again. We will sit for the unending fast. We are going to do that.
What does passing the Lokpal Bill mean to you as a citizen of India?
It means a lot, definitely, and it's just a start. It's not a and, or it's not a just we have got a lot of things. It's just a beginning. I just remember one big statement from Napoleon that world or India is not suffering because of the bad, violent people, but it is suffering because of the few good, silent people. So now this silence had broken, and then people have started speaking through Anna Hazare. He is our first leader, so I respect him that he did really good job, and now it's our turn. It's not that always Anna Hazare has to come forward and take all the fast and do everything. It's every individual has to do this and speak, break the silence and try to stop the corruption.
And we are so happy that the bill is being provisioned for, and we would like to keep this spark going.
भोजपुरी माँ उत्तर का होई मी तोरे पाउना पारी मी आस्कार dobro utro blagodaria e hosowa aini iklimiyat ka te tua testimo volante quiro te martuti memfi ungayo go ali aheri kesalu divuia ben ma tujhe salam mama tujhe salam ma tujhe salam vande mataram men seri sevaman vande mataram mukmukku bhal pai ina honor ka vande mataram india kutanda vande mataram yahan sara jahan dekh liya ab bhi tere jaisa koi nahi hai नहीं सौ दिन दुनिया घुमा है नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम mama tujhe salam vande mataram 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 Vande Mataram
Kavita Arora in Milpitas for Satari TV.